Yeah, we shall start, right?
Yes, Srini.
Yeah, Chandru.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So, good evening to all of you. Welcome to OFCM 2022 G4 Session 1. And I'm Srinivasan. We are going to share, and in fact, so as to say, we are going to have joy in mathematics. We are going to experience joy in mathematics. But that's the main purpose of MTTS. Not only just okay for the sake of studying, but enjoy what we are doing. But that's the main theme. And I congratulate all the participants who are now just logged in. Okay, and this session is being live streamed also. So I welcome all the YouTube viewers also. So here in the G4 stream, okay, we will be asking questions, and the main instruction is you should not answer. Do not unmute and answer. You can use reactions. If you know, say yes or no, you say yes, no. And that also will come in turns. So it will come in groups. So I'll say the group, mentor of the group will say who will select one and you should answer. But keep your answer ready. Okay, this is to make others also think. Okay, not just one says and then everyone, okay, gets destroyed. So to stop that, we have made this thing. Okay, you have to think only when asked, you have to answer. Okay, now can you react with reactions? Whether all of you have understood what I have said? If you have understood, use reactions and say yes, quick. Great. It takes time, actually.
You have to be quick.
And we know actually the difficulty of online class. So the thing is, you will be in a place. See, make sure that you are sitting in an environment which is conducive for you, in the sense that you are able to concentrate on what we say. See, the thing here is, it's intensive. We are going to ask simple questions, but at the same time, pointed questions, for which you have to think and react. So, better make your environment, okay, make yourself environment friendly, in the sense that you should be in a place where you can think, listen, concentrate on what we write also, and then react upon that, right? Yeah. So I hope all of you, and the thing is, please, all of you unmute only when asked. Mute, and only when asked you have to unmute. Yeah, fine. So shall we start? Right. So as all of you know, this is foundation course in mathematics, right? So first we are going to start with what is called as logic. Okay. So I'm going to ask a very simple question. Is logic that important in mathematics? Now it's open. Okay. No tutor is required, but be ready with the answer. I'm going to randomly ask someone. Okay. But if you are ready with the answer, okay, what is my question? It's a very vague question. Is logic that important for mathematics? What's your experience with logic? Some vague question I'm asking. Okay. So how many of you do have answers? See, feel free. Oh, come on, what is this? If you are ready, you say yes, no. I have asked you to say yes. How many of you have seen logic so far? I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So only one. I want people to react. Yeah, I know this is the first session. Reaction will be a bit slow. But if you know, you should, then only we are going to call someone. We are going to wait for 20 to 30 seconds to react. See, please do participate. Mentors, other people are there to help you. See, all these arrangements are for making you comfortable and enjoy mathematics. Okay. So be free, participate wholeheartedly. Only two of you know about logic. Okay. I agree because the question is very vague. So let me go and ask Angeline Christie. Yeah. Can you, now you can unmute and say, why do you think it's important? Can you unmute and speak? Angeline Christie?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
Oh.
Sir, sorry. Can you repeat your question, sir?
Repeat the question is logic important in maths?
Yeah.
Why?
Sir.
See, you reacted, no? You said yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Uh,
I'll say, okay. So what's first logic? How many of us know? Quick. These are all very quick things to make you. According to you, what is logic? See, one of you who knows quickly should answer. Quick, quick, quick. These are all very vague questions. But I want at least some of you should capture and react on this. Sultana,
Yes, sir.
Sam Samal, yeah. Can you say what it is?
Logic means reasoning, sir. For mathematics, we use reasoning. We give reasoning
Exactly.
for the
Excellent.
answer.
Excellent. That's enough. That's enough. That's what I want. See, it's very
Thank you, sir.
simple reasoning. Okay. For us, in MTTS, we call logic as just common sense. So we used to scold people, no? Do you have common sense? It's like that. Okay. In mathematics, it's termed as logic. It's basically reasoning, common sense, right? Okay. Now let's start our session. Okay. With some basic questions. Now I'm going to write a sentence. Okay. The shirt is white. This is my sentence. Okay. I call it as yes. I hope all of you can see my writing, right? Yes. Reactions for this? Is it visible? No questions on this. Yes. Still even see, we want people to participate. Devashri, Kilandeshwari, Shalini, Ramya. See, these people, please react. I'm asking a simple question. We want to know whether you are connected or not. Very good. There is one doubt. That's fine. 20 of you have reacted. So who are, okay, no doubt also cleared. Right? Somebody raised their hand. See, that's the symbol for asking doubts. Yeah, fine. Okay. It's a simple sentence. Okay. Now I'm going to write another sentence. Okay. Call it as yes dash. Okay. Okay. I'll call it as PS1. Okay. PS1 is movie, right? Ponniyin Selvan, part 1 is a good movie. Okay. Now both are sentences. But for me, I'm going to call something as a statement. Okay. I'm going to call something as a statement and something is only a sentence. I'm not going to call that as a statement. Can you find out which one has a problem and which one is okay? Do you want another easy example? Okay. Yes, double dash. The fan is on. Okay. Yes, triple dash. Tomorrow it will rain in Chennai. Okay. So see, now I have written 4 statements. Some of them I can agree that as 4 sentences. Some of them I can agree upon, and some of them that I have some problem. Okay, can you figure out the sentences which have problem? Yeah, quick. It's easy. Right? Yeah, somebody is asking a doubt. They can come, unmute and ask your doubt. See, now they are closed. Who asked that doubt? Mentors, please look into that. We have to call upon them. Yeah, Jesubai, Sherina. Unmute yourself. Jesubai, Sherina.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, which one are problematic statements?
Yes, dash and yes.
I'm sorry. Can you speak a little louder? I'm unable to hear you.
Yes, dash and yes, triple dash.
Yes dash and yes triple dash. Yeah. Why?
Yes. Because PS1 may be good movie for someone and may not be a good movie for someone.
Very good.
Yes, triple dash sentence is a probability, sir.
Yeah.
It may
So,
rain tomorrow or it may not.
Right.
Someone it may feel like raining tomorrow.
Correct. So, how many of you have got what she has answered? So, what are all the problematic sentences? Yes, that second and fourth. Okay. Why they are problematic? Because I don't know. For some of them, it could be a true statement. For some of them, it could not be a true statement. I don't agree that it's a good movie, but some of them will agree. Okay. So it is ambiguous. Some of the people are saying it's true. Some of the people are saying it's not true. Okay. This sentence could be true for some of them, could be false for some of them. So actually it's a qualitative sentence, right? Qualitative. It doesn't say anything. Okay. But this is, look at the first statement, the shirt is white. So either the statement is going to be true. If the shirt is white, it's going to be true. If it is not white, it's going to be false, right? So this statement has only 2 things. Either it's true or it's false. But see, if it is true, then that's all. No other thing. But here it's ambiguous. I don't know whether it is true or not. Okay. Same thing about fan. Same thing about this also. This is also a problem because I don't know. Only day after tomorrow, I will come to know whether it has rained in Chennai or not. Okay. How many of you have understood so far? Whatever we have spoken. So how many participants are there? Around? Yeah, 70 totally. See, mentors, please take care. Who are not responding, we should look into that and ask them. See, I have not asked any question. Have you understood? See, if you be frank, if you have not understood, put cross mark. I'm not seeing any single cross mark. I hope all of you have understood. Okay. If you have not understood, I want some of you to respond. Okay. Be truthful, right? See, You're going to, as I said, if you want to have joy, then and understanding properly, you should respond accordingly. Okay. Whatever comes to your thing, you have to. But still, I could see less, right? 30, 40. Now only we are reaching 40. Yeah, I want responses to be a bit faster. Yeah. Okay. Now, the one who has not understood, what is her name? Hepzibah, right? G4 Hepzibah. Can you unmute and say what is your problem?
Sir, I just want you to repeat again. Can you please?
So what was my question? Can you say from your words?
We were answer a question.
No. My
What
question is,
problematic?
see, I'm going to accept something as a statement in mathematics. Okay. But there are some problematic things which I can't accept as statements. What are they? That's my question. Have you understood my question first? I have written
Yes.
four sentences. Among this, there are two problematic things which I can't take it to be a statement at all. Okay. So people figured out this cannot be because it has, for some people this is true, for some people this is false. This completely I don't know. It's true or false. Okay. But this I can definitely say, if the shirt is white, it's going to be true. Otherwise, it's going to be false. Such a thing, we are going to call it as statements. So for us, what do I mean by a statement? Statement means a sentence which has exactly one thing. Okay. Which has exactly one value. Exactly one of the value. What are they? Either true or false. Among this, it should have exactly one of the value. Okay. Such a thing, we are going to call it as statements. So in the breakout room, try to form sentences. I have formed the sentences first to figure out whether they are statements. Okay. Statement means a sentence. It could be a mere sentence. How old are you? That doesn't say anything. That we are not going to, because that's a question. Okay. We don't want to say anything about that. Yeah. There is somebody asking doubt. Yeah, please. Raise your doubt.
Maharasi, unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Yeah. Clear. Okay, fine. Then you can remove your good. Okay. Now you can practice writing a lot of statements. Okay. Now let's take the first statement. Okay. I'm going to take the first statement. The shirt is white. So either it's going to be white or not. Okay. Now I want to write negation of statement yes. Negation of statement yes. What do I mean by negation? If this statement is false, what do I mean by that? I'm going to write that also as a statement, right? Okay. So all of you go through what should be the negation sentence. The shirt is white. If it is false, by that, what do I mean? Very easy question. I want reactions.
The shirt is not white.
See, this is what I said. I don't want you to answer this. Who answered this? See, you have violated my law, okay? Or whatever we follow in MTTS. So please do not answer. You have to hold your answer. Only when asked, you should answer. Is that understood? The person who answered now should unmute and say yes. So hereafter, you should not do it, right? Is it okay? Please unmute and say, who is that who answered now?
Lakshmi.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hereafter don't do it. Anyway,
Oh.
there's some practice. See, that's also a part of joy, whatever I said. Hold the answer, okay? Tell when asked.
Okay, sir.
And you can go through also whether am I right or wrong. So don't get offended. It's to help all of us. But why now only 7 responses? If the statement is false, by that what do I mean? Okay, let's ask Sanjana. Or 431, Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What should be the negation statement?
The shirt is not white.
Very good. The shirt is
Not white.
not white. Very good. Okay. Whether any one of you have different answer other than this? Clear. I'm clearing all of your thing. Yeah, that's better. Is it right or whether somebody else have a different statement other than this? Yeah, good. Somebody's asking doubt. Tanga Pandi.
The shirt is black. Nice one.
Very good. The shirt is black. Why I am not writing like this? The shirt is, sorry, the shirt is black. Okay. I want all of you to think about this. So instead of this, he's writing this. Let's call it as N dash. He's writing like the shirt is black. Is this the right negation? If it is right, say yes. If it is not, say no. Please quick. Be quick. So mentor, somebody from R1. Okay, I'll ask from R1. Yeah. See, it's not that don't see the number of chats, change your answer. If you think you can change, otherwise stick with this, understand what we are. See, it does. See, in MTTS we have a slogan: making mistakes is my birthright. Okay, so enjoy your mistakes. Do not worry about that. Okay, don't feel offended of making mistakes. Go and correct and all. See, the point is, should enjoy. Something should go inside. Okay, so that we react upon that. We said it's common sense, no? Right? So do not worry about mistakes. Don't correct and all. If you have answered wrongly, doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. Let me ask someone. Kaushik Raja, R7. Tangapandi said the shirt is black. Kaushik Raja, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is this the correct negation? You are saying this is the correct negation.
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of writing shirt is not white, we should have written the shirt is black. Is this
Yes,
the correct
sir.
negation?
Yes,
You
sir.
think so, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let's ask somebody from let's say R3. Mentor should ask someone from R3. Look at the responded list. Oh, I couldn't see R3, right? Yeah, maybe they have not written the names. Let me ask someone. R6, 27, Subika.
R6, Subika.
Sir,
Yeah. So you said this is not correct, right? The shirt is black is not correct. Why?
sir, we should transform the sentence into negation statement, sir. So we should not change the given information, sir. They said the shirt is white. So we should say we should oppose that, sir.
Yeah.
So
What is the correct opposition? That's what my question is.
the shirt is black is not opposing, sir.
Why?
Because we should oppose for opposing, we are using not, sir.
No. Again, say some other possibility. No, that's what you should come up with. See, the shirt is not white. Then what are all the possible colors?
So why should we use alone black? We can use other colors also, sir.
Correct. That's what you should say. Don't say transformed and all. The shirt could be in some other color, correct? Not necessarily even black. Black is one among the possibility. Whether all of you have understood? See, black is one among the possibility. It could be red, it could be yellow, it could be, see, imagine this, okay? Something, this imagination is, this is what you want. I'm saying shirt is something like this, okay, white in color, okay? If it is false means, what can I say about the shirt? Look at this color, shirt is like this. This is also not white, right? But this is what, the negation is correct. Okay. But if I just draw only one color black, that's not the right thing. Correct? There could be hell lot of, I could draw blue, I could draw green, I could draw yellow. The shirt, if the shirt is yellow, then again it's not white. If the shirt is pink, again it's not white. Have you understood? Not white has lot of possibilities. Could be any one among the possibilities. Okay, I'm clearing all of you. Whether have you got, whether all of you have got this point, please respond. If you have understood, please respond. Very good. Still, I need something more. I hope all of you have understood. Let's practice. Let's have one more statement. Okay. I'll change my pen color to white. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's, okay, whatever. The fan is on. Now let's talk about the negation of this. Can all of you think of the negation? I'm clearing again the feedback. Quick. That's what I said. Stay focused. Think about the negation. Keep it with you. Only asked, you should answer. All of you know the meaning, right? The fan is on. Means the switch is on and the fan is, yeah. Rotating. Whatever you want to say. No, why only 12 response? It's taking time to respond. Only 27. Ashwin R, what is your problem? R743, R728, RT. Please unmute and say, what's your problem? We are not able to get. Charanya, R863, Saranya. Unmute, no? First unmute, then respond. I think mentor should take a note of people who are not responding.
Sir,
What is your problem? Why you are not responding?
so sorry, sir.
Are you not concentrating? Because the question is very simple. If you can't concentrate on this, you will find it difficult actually. Better to practice right now itself. Okay, I will start from you. Can you say what is the negation? The fan is on.
The fan is off, sir.
That's all. See, you are telling no. See, this hesitancy, this is the problem. You have everything. You are. See, I will tell you, we are reading logic, right? Mathematics students have a lot of logic. That means we have a lot of common sense. No problem. Don't worry. Don't have any hesitation. I can't call all of you now. See, look at Malati, still not responded. Malati R, R984. So many people have not responded. R672, Angeline Christie. R369, Hebziba. Some problem, I don't know. Okay, let me proceed. Yeah, So the fan is on. If it is not true, means it's not on. That means it's off. Whether all of you have understood, there are only two states for fan. Either it should be switched on or it should be switched off. Okay, right. Okay, let's ask this question. Simple question. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. What is the negation? I'm clearing all of you. Clear all your feedbacks. Okay, good. Already done. Please respond. What is the negation? If the statement is false, by that, what do I mean? That's the meaning of negation. What is the negation? Yeah, Thangapandi, what was your doubt? Don't say the answer. If you have doubt, then ask only the doubt. You are not supposed to say the answer. Thangapandi, is there a doubt?
No, sir.
You want to say the answer? No? Wait. He will call you. Yeah. R975, Kubendran. What's the negation? R975, Kubendran.
Sir,
Yeah, please unmute and answer.
sir, 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2, sir.
Very good. 1 plus 1 not equal to 2. Again, as I said, 1 plus 1, I cannot write 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, that's one among the possibilities. The general negation is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If it is false, it's not equal to 2. Right, good. Yeah, so now all of you know about a set. I'm just writing X belongs to A. What should be the negation? Don't say the answer. Please be ready. So what do I mean by the symbol? A is a set and X is an element of A. That we write using this symbol, right? X belongs to A. Yeah. Now, Thangapandi, can you answer?
X is not belongs to A.
Very good. X is not an element of A. Or we call this as X does not belong to A. Very good. Now, I'm writing, see, the sun rises in the west. Is this a statement? I'm clearing all your feedback. Am I writing the correct statement? Is this a statement? If this is a statement, say yes. If this is not a statement, say no. Yeah, quick. Very good. It's something like a very tough fight is going on.
Tough competition.
Yeah, tough competition. 16, 18. Yeah, so we will hear from both of them. So, mentor, please pick one who says this is not a statement. Now the question is, I'm not asking any negation and all. So, your yes means this is a statement. If you say no, this means this is not a statement. If you put cross, you are telling this is not a statement. Is this a statement or not? That is the question. Please, all of you understand the question first.
R2, Anusya.
See,
Sir.
please quickly unmute and answer. It will help us. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is
Sir,
your
because
answer?
this-
Yes or no? Is this a statement or not?
Statement.
This is a statement, right?
Yes, sir, but the information is wrong.
But this is a statement, correct? Very good.
Yes, sir, this
So
is a statement.
let's ask another one of them. Let's ask a reason. Okay. You ask somebody who has said no from any group. It doesn't matter.
R7, Soumya, Rati.
Sir,
Why this is not a statement?
because the sentence is not true.
Can you see that? Now, do you want to correct? Sentence can be to see the shirt is white. We have written. See, we have agreed this to be a statement, right? And if this is false, we have written the shirt is not white also. So therefore, we know which is true and which is. Have you understood my meaning of what do I mean by a statement? A statement means a sentence which has exactly one of them, true or false. Okay. Look at this statement. You have to apply only the definition. Okay. What is this? The sun rises in the west. Everything is clear. And the only thing is the answer is wrong. The sun, that's not right. Anyway, have you understood this? This is a proper statement. But what is the truth value? The truth value is wrong. Actually, the value of the statement, it should have only two things. Either it should be true or false. This is a wrong statement. That's whether all of you have understood. I'm clearing the feedback. Okay, this is a proper statement. Have you understood this? Still, if you have confusion, you can ask questions. But why now the response is very less? See, that time it had a big fight and a lot of people have answered. When I ask, have you understood, the question number gets decreased. So, you want competitive questions? Yeah. So please respond. If you have understood, happy, respond. If you have not, say that also. Be happy, say no. Okay. Yeah. So, this we have by our understanding of what a statement means. Statement means a sentence which is very clear and either it's going to be true or false. Only that. Okay, it doesn't have any confusing thing. May be true, may not be true. Sun rises in the west is a wrong statement. Therefore, it is a statement. Now, I want all of you to think what is the negation of this statement. I'll clear all your feedback. Think, do not answer. Think and say what is that. For only statements, we are going to write negation. Okay. If it is a statement, then we are going to write negation. Otherwise, for general sentences, we don't write any negation. Yeah, I'm waiting for your responses. $34, $35, good. So let's ask someone who has not named at all. Let's ask Shivakumar. Shivakumar?
Yes, sir.
What is the negation?
The sun rises in the east.
Let's keep this. Let's ask someone else. Okay. Yeah, okay. Shall I do? I'll ask someone. Okay. R641, Deepika.
Sir,
What's the negation?
the sun does not rise in the west.
Very good. So please don't ask sir, you respond with the answer. Okay. Yeah, very good. Okay. So what should I write? There are two negations given by you, two different. Somebody said the sun rises in the. Okay. Correct. So which is the right negation? The sun does not rise in the west. Okay. See, what does this statement go? Don't go by Okay, your truth about sun and all. You look at this statement. This statement says sun rises in the west. Okay, if this is false, then what do I mean? I believe this. Okay, do not worry about the truth value of the statement. Okay, accept this as a statement. If this statement is false, then what should be the meaning? That's how you have to look into it. This statement says sun rises in the west. If it is false, it could rise in any other thing. It could rise in east, it could rise in, okay, north, south. But of course, we know the answer. Actually, we know the answer that it rises in the east. Okay, that's a different thing. Don't get confused with that. This should be the negation, right negation. Don't say the sun rises in the east. That's not the negation. We are not answering the question. Okay, right. Very good. Somebody is asking, having a doubt, R7. Chaudhary, yeah, please ask.
Sir, the negation of the statement is the sun does not rise in the
correct,
east, right?
correct. I have missed it now. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. Does not rise in the west. That's what I was explaining now. Okay. Whether all of you have understood this, I'm clearing the feedback. Again, I want your responses. So we don't. Okay. Very good. Fine. So now, see, a statement means it should be either true or false. Only that, right? So if the statement is true, then what should happen to the negation? Can all of you respond now? Just give only. Okay, we'll ask someone. If the statement is true, then what can I say about the negation? Quick. No, you should not take time. I'm asking very trivial question. If you are, I just want to check whether, because it's a first day class, I want to check whether all of you are, okay, concentrating on what we are saying, whether you are able to represent. See, I could see R63, Saranya, so many people are not responding. That means we have some problem in concentration. Yeah. Yeah. So, shall I ask someone? R710, Soumya Rati.
If the statement is true, then the negation will become false.
Very good. Soumya Rati, again, I am giving you another question to you. If the statement is false, then what will happen to the negation?
The negation will become true.
Yeah. Right? That's by very definition. Why? You see, for each thing, better ask why. Because the statement has only true values, two values. Okay, either it's going to be true or completely it's going to be false. If one thing happens, negation means what? If that is completely not true, then actually this is going to be false, right? Mere common sense. Okay, very. Okay, look at this statement. Which one is true? The statement or negation, which one is true? Look at that example. I'm clearing all your feedback. Say which one is true, the statement or the negation. It's again, a very simple question, but to make you understand what we are talking about. Yeah, R60, Darshini.
Sir.
Quick.
1 plus 1 is equal to.
The statement is true or negation true? Which one is true? Please answer accordingly.
1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is statement true, sir.
Statement is true. That's what you have to answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is happening to the negation? Statement is true. Therefore, negation is
1 plus 1 not equal to 2, sir.
Okay, that's fine. What can you say about the truth value of the negation? Statement is true. Therefore, what can you say about negation?
Not equal to, sir.
That's okay. That's the statement. Is it true or false? That's what you have to answer. The statement is true. Therefore, the negation is
false.
That's what I want. Okay, right. Good. Okay. Answer for this question. Last question. Which is true? The statement or negation?
Statement, sir.
No. You are not supposed to answer. I'm asking others to respond. Okay, please, all of you go through. Answer. Think and go through. Same question for last example. What is the question? Which one is true? The statement is true or the negation true? Quick. Yeah. R883 Devashri.
So the negation is true.
Very good. That's fine. Good. Okay. See, in the breakout time, make lot of statements. Try to make the statements and their negation. In fact, in 2 or 3 classes, we are going to do this. Okay. So now let me go to a fresh page. And I'm going to write a statement. Look at my statement. The statement is, it's something like, I went to a mobile shop. I want to buy a mobile. I'm saying, I want a mobile. Okay. He shows me a mobile. Okay. Let's call that as X. Okay. Before writing the statement and all, I'll say X is the mobile I want. So I'll put the condition on X. What X should be? X is Samsung. I want a Samsung mobile or say iPhone. X is iPhone. Okay. The shopkeeper showed me a mobile and I rejected the mobile. Okay. So can you figure out why I rejected it? Look at the condition. Please take time, go through. I went to a mobile shop and X is the mobile looking for. I have put a condition on X. What? It should be either a Samsung phone or an iPhone phone. The shopkeeper showed me a mobile and I rejected it. Okay, this is the situation I have told the shopkeeper, but I rejected. Okay. So what should be the case of my rejection? Okay, why did I reject it? R820 Aditi Verma, if you have answer, don't say this. But if you have a doubt, if you don't understand what I'm telling, you just ask. Aditi Verma?
Sir, I know the answers.
For that you should not put raise hand. You should put yes. Do you have raise yes symbol in your thing, mobile?
Green color tick mark.
Yeah, put a tick mark. Very good. Bala, you ask someone?
Angeline Christie, R6. R7, Ramya.
Sir, the phone does not belong to Samsung or iPhone.
Yeah, very good. So whatever the shopkeeper showed me is not Samsung. Okay. Also, it is not iPhone. Very good. So can you write it as a statement? This is about X, no? Can you say? Can I write it? What should I write here? See, people use either or and all. Either or, the negation is neither nor. No, we don't want. We want, see, the purpose of making all this is to make things clear. Okay. Clear out all your ambiguities, and we want to make things very, very precise. That's the notion behind this logic and all. So again, we don't want to put grammar and all. So that's why I broke the statement. Usually in plain English, people will say, I want a Samsung or iPhone. Okay. So what is the, why did I reject? Because it's neither Samsung nor iPhone. That's right. Perfectly logic is correct. But I want to break and write correctly. I want to break it into two. X is Samsung or X is iPhone. So what should be the correct negation? All of you, please think. I'm clearing your feedback. I want to hear from one of you. Answer is already said. Just we have to make only the statement. Write it down. I think it should be easy. So I thought a lot of people will respond fast, but no, it's going slow. Why? Already we have said the answer. Okay. R874 Krishnamurthy. Krishnamurthy. Unmute and yeah. Yeah, you have some.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, please say. Say the answer.
Not is Samsung. It is not is Samsung and it is not.
Very good. So you have some. We are unable to hear you properly. But anyway, what is happening? X is not Samsung. I hope that's what he said. And there is important thing is the connecting word. Okay. And both the things are happening. And X is not iPhone. If you have shown one of them is iPhone, I would have accepted it. I might have not rejected it. Okay. In fact, completely violates the condition. What is the violation of my condition? It's not Samsung, and as well as X is not iPhone. Clear all feedback? Have you understood this? Very good. Some of you are saying I have not understood. Very good. Can you unmute and say, who is that? Subika? Can
So
you
why
come out?
should not we write this as X is not Samsung or iPhone?
You see, that's confusing, no? That's what I said. The purpose is to make things clear out of all ambiguity. X is not Samsung and iPhone means what? That's confusing, right? I want to make things very, very precise. So I want to say X is not. What is the meaning of that? What you are saying? X is not Samsung and X is not iPhone. Do you understand? I can't join Samsung and iPhone like that. Is the point clear? We want to make it very precise. Don't say in loose way and get confused. Because if you say, there are a lot of, we'll see a lot of examples. You make your examples, you will come to know. Okay, what are all the difficult. We'll do some sentences which are little, yeah, on that way. Yeah. One of you again wants to ask doubt. Who is that?
Ragul?
Ragul? Yeah.
Sir, but we have changed the original sentence, right, sir? That is, we have
What's
changed
the negation. It's not original sentence. Original sentence is, I want either Samsung or iPhone. If that is false, what do I mean? That's why I rejected the phone. Do you understand? The shopkeeper showed something and I rejected. Why? Because he has violated my statement. My statement is this. He had made the negation of what I have said. So I want to understand what is the negation. Do you understand? What you are saying is correct. Yes, this is not the original statement. In fact, if the statement is true, negation is going to be false, no? Yes or no? These two are completely, negation means when the statement is false. That's the meaning. Okay. So negation cannot be the original statement. You understand? Sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Very good. Okay.
Negation, is that a new statement, sir?
Yeah. Balakumaran is asking a good question. Is it a statement? Is negation a statement? Please, all of you respond. Quick. Is negation a statement? If you feel yes, say yes. If you feel no, say no. See? Again, see, we want response quickly. But anyway, you take your time. I don't want to, bulldoze you or put a bullet on your head. It's simple only. But little pace you should increase. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. Good. It's a statement, right? Yeah. Because we have already said this is also going to have only true or false value. Already you have answered all these things. Okay, negation. If the statement is true, negation is going to be false. This is a statement. Again, because it's going to have only one among the value and it's going to have the value straight opposite to what statement is going to have. Fine. Let's make another thing. Okay. Okay. Say, okay, let's say I'm going to have, say, chapati or fried rice for my dinner. Okay. So, or let's say I had chapati and fried rice. Oh, sorry. Or I had chapati or fried rice for my dinner. For my lunch. Let's keep had I have written. So let's put lunch for my lunch. If it is false, if I am telling a lie, so what should be the negation? Can all of you quick up quickly? Yeah. See, response is a bit slow, but anyway, please speed up. In fact, the best practice is, this is actually I am writing English statement. So I have to break it down. Whether all of you have understood, given yes, I'm going to rewrite the same yes. How do I write? I had chapati, break into two statements. Chapati, okay, this is one. Or I had fried rice. Of course, for my lunch, you can keep, that's a different thing. Okay, this is how I have to break. Now I want to think of, okay, what's the negation? Good. So R921, Shalini, say what's the negation?
I does not had chapati and I does not had fried rice.
Very fantastic. I does not have chapati. And I does not have fried rice. In fact, you can put a bracket. I does not have fried rice. Okay, anyway, fried rice. Of course, you can say for my lunch also. I hope all of you are understanding. Let me put one more question, right? Okay. I'm going to ask something very funny. Okay. Let's put like this. X belongs to A or X does not belong to B. Can you make the negation? Very good. Yeah. So let's ask Matesh, M, R811.
X doesn't belongs to A and X belongs to B.
Very good. So all of you have got, okay. I hope all of you have understood, right? Do you know why? You have observed a pattern. See, this is what science does. Okay. Look at, understand that, to understand the nature, look at all the things. Okay. Whatever experiment have some property. Okay. Then if you have the similarity or some kind of pattern, if you observe, then you are able to make. Okay. So here, this is what is happening in R. So suppose if I have, okay, if I say X has property P1 and X, sorry, not and, it is R. X has property P2. Okay, this is what the abstract statement. Okay, X has, that means X belongs to A in this case. Okay, here X is what myself, having chapati is the property P1. Okay, having fried rice is the property P2. Here, first example, yeah, looking for a Samsung mobile is the P1. Looking for an iPhone is P2. And what's the negation? Okay, I hope all of you can say no. Quick. This is a pattern behind this. So you are able to see some examples, understand. Okay, right. Good. Very good. Shweta, can you say the negation quickly?
X does not have property P1 and X does not have property P2.
Very good. Very good. Does not have property P2. P1 and X does not have property. Okay. Okay. There is a friend of mine who is good at mathematics, but he is not agreeing to this. He is telling, come on, how do you say all this? Can you justify? Okay. Let's take the first example and justify for him. Okay. So, all of you please listen to this carefully. I'm going to give a justification, okay, based on mathematics. So, I'm going to say yes is set of all Samsung mobiles in the shop. In that particular shop, okay, right. And I is what? Set of all iPhones. In that particular shop. See, look at how I am forming sets and answering. And I'm looking for the mobile X. Okay. Now I'm going to write it in terms of sets. So what should I write now? Can one of you say X? Yes is there. Okay. Set of all Samsung mobile. I is set of all iPhones. Okay. All of you can you think? First condition. Look at this. This says I want a Samsung mobile or an iPhone. Okay. So all of you know this. No need to go back. Can you think? Can you relate this X? X is mobile. Can you relate this S in terms of S and I and tell me? Can you put the statement condition? This is the other way of writing the statement. Very good. I'm looking for responses. If you don't understand my question, always you can raise your hand and ask. Very good. Let me ask some. Kaushik, R753.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you reword the statement?
X belongs S or I.
Don't say I. Again, break it into two statements. X belongs to
X
S.
belongs S and X belongs. Or X belongs R.
Very good. Or X belongs to I. That's my original statement. See, my original statement is in English. X is Samsung. Okay. Or X is iPhone. Okay, this is my statement. In fact, people will say X is either Samsung or iPhone. Better to break now. I hope all of you are understanding. I am breaking into two separate statements because I want to be very clear to understand, and I should understand it without ambiguity. Therefore, I am writing this. Okay. Already we have seen negation and all. Now I'm going to give justification. Okay. So, can one of you tell in terms of set X belongs to, I want to write it as a single set. What should I do now? X belongs to S or X belongs to I? Yeah. In fact, I think we have not cleared it. But anyway, I will hear from Harini. Harini, R762. See, when you are answering, do not say yes, sir, and all. You can directly respond. Yeah. Harini? I'm waiting for your answer. Harini, tell, I'm not able to hear.
Sir, once again, please tell the question, sir.
Come on, you have put yes, and I'm asking you. We want to write a set here. Which set should I write? You are just like that putting yes, tick mark. See, if you don't know the question, you should have put raised hands and asked me. Okay, I'll ask Darshini, R660 Darshini. Darshini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell? Can you rewrite this in terms of X belongs to S or X belongs to I? In terms of sets, what do I want to say? X belongs to which set now?
Yes and I, sir.
No. You are not thought about it. I will ask somebody. That's what. If you don't understand the question, please ask us. Okay. Okay. R123. Jesu boy, Sharina.
X belongs to S union I.
Excellent. This all of you know, right? Union. See, imagine. Okay. This you would have studied in when? Anyway, mobiles and all won't look like this, but you would have seen, right? Set A, you would have seen set B, and you would have drawn all this A union B, right? Okay. Imagine that also in the shop, Samsung mobiles are arranged. Okay, iPhone mobiles are arranged, and we want to have common place for arrange. Okay. What is both of them, not common. We want to collect all of them. All the racks where Samsung mobiles are lying, as well as, okay, we have to collect all the union. In fact, anyway, this is the definition. We are going to do that later. Now we will have. Now this statement is rewritten like this. So now what should be the negation? I am writing already. You have said X belongs to S at A means negation is X does not belong to S union. Okay. So then where does it belong to? It belongs to the complement. Therefore, X belongs to the complement. I don't know what notation you are using. I'll just use C for this. I hope most of you would have used dash or C. Okay. Now, can one of you tell what is C union I complement, or I'll better ask what is A union B complement? Please, when I say one of you tell means you have to tell only responses, not the answer. Quick. Of course, when set theory is going to be done, we'll do all this. Now, just I want to ask, out of curiosity, do you know? Have you studied what is A union B complement? Okay, R214 Kritika. R214 Kritika. See, the thing is, you should not ask. You should not, nobody should answer. Only if I ask, you should answer. Yeah, R2 Kritika.
B union A is the right answer, sir.
A union B complement is what? That's what I want.
B union A.
Okay, I will ask someone else. Okay, let's go to R3 possibly. R3 Hepzibah. R369 Hepzibah.
Yes, sir.
What is A union B complement?
A complement intersection B complement.
What is it called actually? There is a name for this, no? It doesn't matter if you don't know, but usually people know this name. You don't know, right?
Yes, sir.
But if someone knows, now you can unmute and say. Just unmute and say.
De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law of
People look at,
complementation.
do you know, all of you see, if I ask you to talk, do you see the commotion? Yeah, of course, most of you have responded. It's very good. That's why, in fact, we want others also to think and not to have commotion. Right, good. It's called De Morgan's law. So this set is nothing but S complement intersection I complement. Now, what is the meaning of X belongs to S complement intersection I complement? I'll quickly write it down. It says X belongs to S complement and that's the plain English. X belongs to I complement. But what is the meaning of this? X does not belong to S and X does not belong to I. Therefore, we are justified. In fact, look at this. This is what? Now, plain English meaning. X is not Samsung and X is not iPhone. Not an iPhone. Okay. So, we got justified. Okay. Somebody who agrees to De Morgan's law. Okay. Mathematics. And look at that, how we have written in symbolic form. Okay. You go through, take your discussion time and go through this. Okay. Maybe I'll stop with one more example. I'll just start that and I will stop there. Okay. Now my statement is other way around. We have seen the pattern, you have negated. In fact, I want you to do this in discussion hour. I'll give this statement. Okay. There is a participant. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Extremely sorry. I should not say that. X is from. Okay. Let's say X has mango and X has jackfruit. Okay. X is claiming that he has both mango and jackfruit. Okay. I have now break it into again two statements. If this is false, then what is the meaning? Quick, please, first responses. I think we are overshooting the time, but anyway, just with this, I will stop. Very good, 30, but still we want at least 45 to 50 respond quickly. And in fact, we are going to collect all those who are having difficulty in responding. Ask why, what is the problem? Yeah, so let's ask somebody from R3, I think. We have to ask somebody from R3, I think we have asked. R4. See, Aishwarya Banu. Aishwarya Banu. If this is false, what is the meaning? I'm not hearing. Aishwarya, are you responding? I think she's not responding, no? Balakrishnan, Balakumar, can you ask someone else?
Sophia, R5.
X does not have mango or X does not have jackfruit.
Very good. That's it. He says yes, both the things. Yes, both the things. If it is false, one among them should be false. Okay, X does not have mango. You said correctly yes, no, or right, or X does not have jackfruit. Okay, we have already said this. No, the thing is now we have said the negation. Again, do the same thing. Whatever you have done for this three, try to create three examples. Try to see the structure when there is. See, this is two statements combined by and. Okay, we are having a negation. Okay, try to look at the pattern. We have already done for R. Can you do it for? Okay, and we have already seen When I have a statement which has two sentences are combined by, conjuncted by, or we saw what the negation is. Now we have seen an example for and also. So I will stop here. Go back during the discussion hour, discuss examples. Okay, yeah. I think Balakumaran.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Divya?
We'll stop the live streaming.
Yes.
And for YouTube audience, we shall be having our next class on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
5 p.m.
Same time, 5 o'clock.
Yes.
May I stop the live streaming, sir?